RingCentral's new phone interface. Learn how to use the new phone features in the RingCentral desktop app. In the left navigation bar, click on Phone to access all phone features. Click on Recents to see incoming, outgoing, and missed calls in your call log. Missed calls are marked with orange dots. Click on the name of any contact to see their contact information. Click on the X to close a contact card and return to the dial pad. To see your dial pad as a small window, click on the lower right corner and drag to make the window smaller. In this view, the top navigation bar displays icons for the main phone features: dial pad, recents, voicemail, recordings, HUD, and conference. Enter a name, phone number, or extension into the filter field to filter your call history. Click on the Voicemail tab to see all your voicemails. New or unheard voicemails are marked with orange dots. Click on Play to listen to your voicemail.
Hey Matt, this is David calling.
Its automatic transcription appears in the field below. Click on the Recordings tab to see all of your recorded calls. Click on Play to listen to a recorded call. Within the More menu, you can turn the HUD tab on or off. Use the HUD tab to see your colleagues' real-time availability and to manage multiple incoming calls. Click on the pop-out icon to open the HUD in its own small window. The HUD pop-out window is a simple way to see colleagues' availability and manage extensions, parked calls, delegated calls, group calls, and call queue. Click on the Conference tab to set up audio conference calls. You can invite up to 1,000 participants to a conference call. To start a conference call, hover over the My Room entry, then click on Start. In the pop-up window, select your dial-in number. Then click on Invite to send your invitation by text, email, or RingCentral message. When you're ready, click on Start Conference.